trying to innovate on the experience of listening to music and music streaming by introducing emerging technology aspects such as augmented reality. On the left, I have been thinking about how using XR or AR glasses could function for searching for music while on the go. While on the right, you have a traditional mobile-driven experience similar to Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, etc. But again, introducing a map and location-based playlist, as well as an option to go into AR mode, which would work similarly to Pokemon Go, where you can scan around and depending where you are, you will find playlists, quote unquote, called music stops, and wherein you will be able to discover music that other players have left in, and etc. Let me start with the AR glasses. So assuming you have it synced with your phone or a smartwatch, you would press a button to turn off the AR mode. Upon doing so, the system, since it's markerless AR, it will start scanning for a surface. And once it does find music stops, you'll see them pop up around you, as you can see. And you'll see the message that tells you that whatever you select the playlist, the list of songs and options will appear here on the right, whereas the now playing little mini player will appear at the bottom on the left. And you'll see the battery indicator as well. So let me go ahead and start selecting one of them. So this music stop is a playlist located at the School of Communication at University of Miami. And these are some of the songs that appear there. You'll see the most popular options such as liking the song or popping up the lyrics, which will replace this with a lyrics panel, and so on and so forth. Let's just select one of the songs and just start playing the first one, and that will trigger the now playing. And of course, the idea is that you can either sync up via Bluetooth your headphones, earphones, or if the AR glasses in the near future, if they have a sound component embedded within it, that would facilitate being able to listen to music in a brand new way. And I just constantly think about what music streaming would look like after smartphones become deprecated in the future, because it seems as though we're heading that way. And so it's important to take into consideration what is next in the world of technology. Let's say select another song, then you'll see the current status indicator, as well as the now playing little section will update accordingly. You can play pause and then change songs. And that is the idea in a nutshell of what I'm trying to work on. So location-based playlist. And of course, if you click on a different playlist and if you start moving around, you'll be able to see different songs and music, right? Of course, this is more of an extension of the experience of using a phone. Like I said, for now, this would have to be studied, researched a lot in order to, move forward with the idea. But it would start from the phone. So let's say you have a map similar to Snapchat, Uber, etc., Google Maps, and this is basically a new way to find music. You would see music stop, the playlist on the map depending on where you are, and the now playing UI, which is very standard convention. I haven't prototyped everything else yet, but ideally you would have like a traditional dashboard homepage with showing you different things based on your activity, right? So it's important to not reinvent the wheel if everything works. So that would offer another a traditional way for the user. But for those that are more curious and want to try something different, this would be for them. Let's say you click on one of the music stops and it will show you the playlist with all the very basic UI. Again, this is just an early prototype. We can implement stories, it will show you who added the song, so you can click on the profile and see them like that. And I also want to think further and how I can create an impact via music streaming, right? So for people that, let's say, want to donate to a cause but they cannot really afford to give money, perhaps each time they play a song, each time they stream, some of that money can be added to a certain cause. And if I activate this called donor mode, it'll kind of show how much each stream would give to a certain cause. And again, this is a work in progress, but this is what I have so far. I started this today, September 11, 2023, and I will see how I can build upon it. And of course, if we go back to the main map, let's say the player wants to go into AR mode. Similarly, you'll start switching, the system will start scanning for surface, and depending on where you are, you'll get music stops around you, in a similar fashion that I show in the glasses. And perhaps somewhere here you can have like a button to link up to the glasses, right, as an extension, like I said. So if we still need to use a phone, you can just control some of these here, but you can later put it in your pocket and just continue the experience on the glasses. This is one example. It's just this one. Let me just share another scene. Okay, so yeah, this is just switching different scenes to give context about how the AR could work. This is my university, but I hope this early prototype kind of gets the point across into the idea that I'm pitching. And of course, again, if you click on a music stop, similarly, if you use a map or AR mode, you would have the same UI of a traditional playlist page, and you can go back and you can switch back and forth between AR mode, or if you want to go back. And that is what I have so far. Thank you for watching.